Hi everyone, I would like to show you how I painted this painting, Black Kite, a common bird of prey in Hong Kong. Okay, let's look at the tools and the paint that I used to do this painting. First is Liquitex Professional Acrylic Ink Titanium White. And then the next one is Liquitex Professional Acrylic Ink Carbon Black. Both of them are waterproof. And this one is not, it isn't acrylic ink, it is the pen cleaner. I dip my pens into and brushes into the jar so that I can clean them afterwards. I just use a piece of tissue paper to wipe the nips and the brushes afterwards. And then this big box is Liquitex acrylic gouache. It's also waterproof, and the good thing is both the gouache and the ink, they are intermixable. And then the tools, I have the nibs, 2G pen, and then the holder, 2 brushes for covering larger areas. Now let me show you a time-lapse video that I did earlier while I was painting this black kite. I would like to thank Robert from Wild Creatures Hong Kong for sharing with me the wonderful reference photos so that I can finish this painting. And do go to his Facebook page, Wild Creatures Hong Kong, and check out all his wonderful wildlife photos. Do follow me on Instagram as well, Sketcher Gary Young, and subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Thank you. See you later.